Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if keeps overheating on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, first of all just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restarting you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. You will see first option is software update. Click on software update and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. Click on reset and backup and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings and enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if your Realme Narzo power keeps overheating. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.